Hi guys, and welcome to week 13. Well, we really are on the home stretch now, and this week you should be focusing on getting your assessment done. You have a few things left to do this semester, and I'm going to run through those due dates for you now just to confirm them. So your week 12 post is due next Monday, the 6th of June. So that is your week 12 reflect activity and the play and share if you're doing those as well. Then you have the week 13 post, which is due on the 13th of June, funnily enough. So those are your two last blog posts, and the 13th of June is almost 2 weeks away. So that is not next Monday, but the one after. And then of course you have your assignment 3 to do as well. And assignment 3, we've pushed that date out a bit for you to give you a bit of breathing room. We're going to make that one due on Friday the 10th of June. So all of those due dates fall at 11:59 p.m. So I wanted to talk to you about your week 13 activity. This week is all about reflecting on the semester and what you've learnt and how you've learnt it and what resonates for you and what hasn't. You will be required to write a post with a set of prompts that are available on the week 13 activity page. But one of the things you need to do is kind of quantify your contribution around the unit site and think about the quality of your contribution as well. Now we have a tool that can help you to do that. It's called the Connected Learning Analytics Toolkit, and we ran a workshop on it several weeks ago. This toolkit takes your data from the unit site and presents it to you in a dashboard so that you can see what your activity looks like and how that relates to the activity around the unit site. And you get to see a bit of a network map and those sorts of things. So far, only 8 of you have signed up for that, and that is a bit of a shame because that means 62 of you aren't going to benefit from the toolkit as you write your week 13 reflection. So I strongly encourage you to consider signing up for the toolkit. I'll put a link in the intro post for this week. I'll put a link on this week's learning resources page, and there's also a link prominently on the home page. So I highly recommend you sign up. And don't do it at the last minute because you'll need to wait for the server to refresh to pull your data in. So make sure you sign up soon so that when you're ready to write that week 13 post, you can jump in there and start using your data straight away. This week we'll have a wrap-up lecture on Friday. It's 1 hour only, and it will be online only in Blackboard Collaborate. Now, Blackboard Collaborate is a different tool than we've been using for the rest of the semester. So just give it an extra 10 minutes to log in so that you are clear on exactly how to get in, and so if you have any problems, you've got that bit of time padding there. In that class, I'll be giving a wrap-up lecture, but also there'll be lots of opportunity for you to ask questions about the assessment that's remaining in the unit. I also wanted to say thanks very much to those of you who participated in the gamification activity. It was a lot of fun to watch you doing it, and I hope you guys had some fun too. I'll be tallying up those points today and posting about the activity on the blog and letting you know who won, and then you'll be able to choose your prizes. But that was a really fun activity, and I hope that you guys enjoyed it. It's certainly a way for you to boost your participation and increase your participation mark for assignment 2. So just to reiterate, you have 3 due dates remaining. In order, they are next Monday you will submit your week 12 blog post, so that's Monday the 6th of June. On Friday the 10th of June you'll submit your assignment 3, and on Monday the 13th of June you will submit your week 13 blog post. So you've got 3 deliverables nicely spaced out, and none of them are overly onerous. If you do have any questions about the assessment as you're moving forward, please post them in the forums or comment on the assignment page, and we'll be very happy to answer those questions for you. That's it from me for this week. I hope you have a good week. I know that you're probably all extremely busy finalising assessment for all your units, so I wish you all the best, and make sure you get some sleep in, but I hope it's a really successful end of semester for you. Have a great week, guys.